Gene and John Bowe, B-O-E. And Gene moved out, but John continued to live here all by himself. And he kind of adopted us boys. And for our birthdays, he would always give each of us a silver dollar. And too bad we didn't keep them. But yeah, he would give us a silver dollar. And then when he died, he left the farm to the church. And the church had no use for a farm, so they put it out for bids, and Dad bid for it, and so did Irvin Johnson, a lawyer in Darlington, and they both bid the same amount, and the church pastor decided that Dad should get it. So
makes sense. He's right up the road. You have to take care of it. Not a lawyer.
I remember coming up here to visit Mom's horse Daisy.
Yep.
And see the cows and the other horses.
I remember they had a horse with like the hooves that like
That was Daisy.
That was Daisy?
Yep.
That was Daisy.
They never took it in to get the hooves cut.
He's in the mining hole over here somewhere.
Yeah.
Along with Grandpa Still.
No, it was sold at auction.
No. After Grandpa got burned,
Oh, that one.
Carl took the still from the basement and threw it in the mining hole. And when Grandpa found out in the hospital, he about jumped out of that bed and ran down the hallway. He was so mad. There's nothing wrong with that still.
Yeah, it was his own carelessness that burned him.
Yeah. Pouring mash from one pot into another, right?
Yep.
Something like that.
Yeah.
On a gas stove.
Yeah, on a gas stove. I remember when this thing used to work.
Yep.
Pull water out of the...
Because there were a tank and cattle over here.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember taking the hay bales on the thing and putting them up into the hay mow with Grandpa.
Yeah, you'd come over and flip the switch and the pump would go and water would go right into the cattle.
He used to have that tiny house set up over here. Then he moved it back down to the factory.